let's talk about focus. Now, for any of you photographers out there, autofocus has been something you probably got very familiar with in the last few years because it's very efficient, very fast, and well, you know, if it's there, use it and it makes your life easier. But I want to take you back in time now to the world of the filmmaker where everything we do is manual. That's because autofocus systems on stills cameras are extremely advanced. Sadly, in filmmaking, we still seem to be stuck in the dark ages with contrast detection, which is very inefficient and frankly not very good. So you're going to have to leave all your autofocus dreams at the door, I'm afraid, when shooting video. So sorry photographers, that's the autofocus switched off. Now, before you all reek in horror, it's not as bad as it sounds because the 5D Mark III has a terrific LCD screen. And when you're using the LCD screen to focus, because the mirror locks up, you can't use the prism, I'm afraid, you've got a lot more resolution and you can see a lot more of what's going on. Now, all is not lost because the screen is much higher resolution than it was on the 5D Mark II, and the focus assist feature is very, very good. You can punch in 5 times and 10 times and get a sharp focus point. But you are going to have to get used to seeing the focus on an LCD screen as opposed to through the eyepiece of the camera. And that's just going to take a little bit of getting used to.